New Binance CEO connection to Ripple and XRP uncovered. Ledger issues important warning to the XRP community, and XRP price faces quarter 4 ROUT and 20% drop. Guys, we've got so much to talk about today. I'm your host, Amar. Make sure you stick around for the whole entire video to get all the important information. Let's not waste any more time and just hop right into it, y'all. So firstly, we got this tweet coming in from Chad Steingraber. Know that hashtag XRP becoming the global world reserve digital currency for the next 100 years would not be possible if the US championed it. They had to appear as if they did everything they could to stop it. Very interesting. So I wonder, I saw this tweet and I was wondering exactly why it has to be that way. I mean, I guess I guess to create validity that it's actually truly being decentralized if the US government is doing pushback on it, but at the same time, does that really does that really have to do with decentralization? If the US does ultimately want it and it's something that the US is wants to champion but doesn't for marketing reasons, you know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what did you guys think about this tweet. I thought it was kind of interesting. A lot of people were agreeing. And yeah, I wonder. Wish somebody could explain this a bit more. Next, we got this tweet coming in from Edo Farina XRP. Ripple and the secret partnership with United Nations. In a document submitted to the UK government, Ripple writes, we work with a substantially run securities exchange operated in partnership with United Nations, which develops a carbon credit solution to issue NFTs, tokenized carbon credits. Da, 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 da. It also highlights that we have not even scratched the surface of what NFTs will do to make our economic and social transactions digital and more efficient. It's clear that the XRP ledger is the future of the real world tokenization. From real estate of NFTs, everything is set to run an XRPL. So here we can see the screenshot coming from the parliament itself and talking about the United Nations. And here's the quote in itself that was highlighted previously, which is very interesting. So yeah, it's a pretty hefty news. Ripple is claiming to be run securities exchange. Interesting. Next, we got this tweet coming in from King V Alex, sorry. Like I said, rapid de-dollarization. US debt of 37.77 trillion is heading towards an inflection point. Brad Garlinghouse, we will drive trillions in demand for XRP because we are solving a multi-trillion-dollar problem. So here is an article that he screenshotted. US dollar collapse acceleration, $33.7 trillion. A shock Fed inflation warning makes the bullish case for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price surge. So interesting. Rita had to say shapeshifting the debt. King V Alex had to say exactly. And Zleg, he responded saying, I really hope everyone who waited years for this XRP switch, once you become millionaires, please don't catch spending habits. People invest in future, and whatever house you buy, make sure your property tax is low. Let's make sure we can pass this money to our grandkids and kids one chance. Interesting. Fair, I guess. Yeah, it's nice to have low property tax. That's cool. But yeah, next let's hop into some articles here and jump right into the important information. So this is a quick little price analysis for us guys. XRP price faces quarter 4 route and 20% drop. So let's get right into it. So XRP price has dropped 18.5% from its local high of 67 cents on November 23rd, and it appears that the cryptocurrency will suffer more sell-offs in the coming weeks. XRP has failed to break above descending trendline resistance since January 2018, and it fell short, logging a breakout above in November 2023 as well, illustrating psychological selling pressure around the line. Each bearish rejection after testing the descending trendline resistance has historically resulted in a decline toward the ascending support line. The downside trigger appears around the 50-cent mark. Interesting, closer to XRP's 50-week, the red wave, and the 200-week, the blue wave, exponential moving averages, EMAs, thus XRP's price risk declining by 20% before 2024 if this fractal plays out. So here we can see the blue wave and the red wave as well. XRP's bearish outlook picks more cues from the supply distribution data tracking its richest cohorts. Notably, the XRP supply held by addresses with the balance between 1 billion and infinity tokens, the black wave, has risen 1.75% since November 20th. A huge chunk of these addresses may belong to crypto exchanges, indicating that investors have been moving their XRP holdings to trading platforms for selling. So here's the XRP supply distribution going on right now. And there's a lot going on right now. So it's very interesting. Historical data shows that the spikes in the 1 billion Infinity XRP token cohort precede both modest and huge price declines. The red wave, conversely, a recent decline in the cohort supply indicating exchange outflows preceded XRP's price rally from 55 cents up to 68 cents. In addition, XRP fund data shows de-risking behavior among institutional investors. In November, XRP-related investment vehicles witnessed outflows worth $2.6 million, according to CoinShares. So here is the flows by asset. So we can see XRP is down by 2.6 million right here, and that's month to day. So very interesting, and that's talking about November. Very, very interesting. This was available as at 17th of November. Still very important. I haven't seen this before, so that's really cool to see. But yeah, see. So is the XRP price roll over? XRP price has soared in 2023, generating 80% returns for its investors as of November 23rd. Its partial legal win against the US Securities and Exchange Commission and spot Bitcoin ETF Euphoria have contributed to most of its yearly gains. As a result, the ongoing XRP price decline appears like a bull market correction. In other words, some investors are selling XRP near its local price tops to secure profits, but its overall uptrend is still intact. Trade analysts anticipate XRP to resume its bull trend, with Muro saying that it would rise to 80 cents next, up 30% from current levels. So here's Muro's tweet talking about how we might see an 80-cent price for XRP. So very, very important information, guys. Things to know. Things that should keep an eye out on. As these corrections are going, there's probably going to be some good opportunities to buy. And guys, remember, real quick, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to be, I'm not, anything I say is just my opinion, my personal belief, and what I'm going to be doing. I'm not suggesting you guys do anything, but I believe there's going to be some, some good buying points within this correction. I'm in it for the long run, really. So I'm looking kind of like a few years down the line, and I'm kind of just building my portfolio as I see the price drop significantly. And when I see a price within my range, I go ahead and drop some moolah on that and kind of just stack up my XRP for the time being, because I do believe, like, yeah, if it goes to 90 cents, yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, well, what about a couple of years from now? I'm kind of thinking like that. And I think in a couple of years, it's going to be more than, we're not going to be talking cents anymore. So, yeah. Next, we got this article coming in from CoinGape. Ledger issues important warning to the XRP community. And I wanted to highlight this because I want you guys to stay safe, right? So, let's get right into it. So, Ledger shared a screenshot of a post by one X app account under the moniker at LeolRP. The post made earlier this month stated that an NFT ETF is coming soon. To commemorate the coming of the XRP product and the acclaimed progress made, the suspected fraudsters announced a gift program that includes a huge XRP event airdrop. However, Ledger clarified that the news is totally fake. The firm noted that fraudsters are targeting the XRP community with these schemes with the aim of stealing users' crypto funds. With respect to this illegal marketing, users are advised to stay vigilant, especially when it has to do with something with sharing their private keys. Members of the XRP community were also urged to avoid making transfers to unfamiliar addresses. We're equally asked to stay away from the offers that sound too good to be true. Most importantly, users should not disclose their 24-hour word recovery phrase for any reason. Meanwhile, the news did not have any negative impact on the market activity of the XRP. Whale Alert unveiled data that shows massive whale activity revolving around the coin. At the time of this writing, XRP is trading at 6.129 cents after gaining, or 61.29 cents after gaining 2.83% in the last 24 hours. Is it worth noting that this impression strategy by scammers is becoming rampant in the crypto space, but even with its growing popularity, users of several protocols end up falling victim. 3 weeks ago, blockchain security firm PeckShield raised an alert in the crypto community as Teller's X account at We Are Teller fell victim to a phishing scam. The perpetrator disguised as Teller and enticed users with promises of a substantial 50,000 TRB airdrop. He left a link behind for interested users who would like to claim tokens and a call to action that reads, "Hurry before it's too late, claim your TRB." The program ended up being a trap aimed at pulling many unsuspecting users in. Such incidents have been a source of concern to several investors with crypto enthusiasts. These individuals see a potential threat to the crypto ecosystem and beyond Ledger. Ripple Labs and its executives are also constantly warning against deepfake videos and other means that might be engineered to commit crime. So guys, keep yourself safe out there. Make sure if you're going in some sort of giveaway or some sort of thing, make sure you're triple checking the account, you're triple checking everything. And like they said, if something's too good to be true, it's most likely too good to be true. Actually, just assume it's too good to be true. Like, really. like yeah. Anyway, stay safe out there, guys. Make sure you're not falling for any phishing scams. Next, we got this final article coming in from U.Dot today. New Binance CEO's connections to Ripple and XRP uncovered. Crazy news. So real quick, if you guys don't know, Binance CEO CZ or Changpeng Zhao had to resign from Binance. And there's a whole different video, a whole different, there's a lot to talk about there. But I'm not going to get into it. If you guys know that, that's what you need for this article. So in a surprising turn of events, crypto enthusiasts have unearthed a significant link between the newly appointed Binance CEO Richard Tang and renowned provider of crypto solutions for business, Ripple. Tang, who recently took the reins from Changpeng Zhao in the aftermath of groundbreaking $4 billion settlement between Binance and U.S. regulatory authorities, has a history that intertwines with Ripple's expansive networks. So let's get into it. So digging into Tang's professional background reveals that he was once a key member of the board of directors at Lulu Finance. During Tang's tenure, the company solidified a partnership with Ripple, marking a significant chapter in the history of cross-border blockchain money transfers. The Ripple-Lulu connection did not end here. In May 2023, Tranglo, a long-standing partner of Ripple, initiated its expansion into the Middle East through strategic partnership with Lulu Money, a subsidiary of Lulu Financial Holdings. Adding to the intrigue is Tang's exclusive background at the Money Authority of Singapore, where he spent over a decade before leading Binance Singapore. Interestingly, in October of this year, Ripple secured a license to operate in Singapore from the same monetary authority, signaling a strategic move into the Asian market. While connections between Tang and Ripple are nuanced, they hint at least a profound understanding of the new Binance CEO's side of Ripple business and the capabilities of XRP. As the crypto space watches with bated breath, Tang's ascent to the helm of the world's largest crypto exchange may usher in a new era of collaboration and innovation within the industry. Fingers crossed. Hopefully those connections and ties come back to play well for Ripple. I know we would all love to see that. But guys, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some important information out of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It would mean the world. Look how cute my smile. See, how can you not like and share after that? So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Other than that, guys, have a good one. And until the next video, man, good luck trading. Take care, everybody. See you.